So, ran in my first BMW problem. Radiator gave out, so we got to get a new one in. So yeah. Alright, boys and girls, you can see I just got out of the chicken hut. Zaxby's grinding on the daily. Yeah, so the radiator gets here Monday, 2 days. So I'm trying to speed things up. We're gonna go ahead and get it out. So let's do this thing. Yeah, see? I take care of the planet, the environment. Yeah. 4-cylinder. Let me know let me know what y'all think it sounds like in the comments.
So this is it, guys. He thought it would be cool. So yeah, we recorded it. Sounded like it, but alright.
Okay guys, this video we will watch small German man clean small German car.
I don't think you're supposed to do it like that.
You don't have to, but I would do it. Look, put it on there. Put it on the brush.
That's not a brush, it's a sponge.
When are you gonna drift this?
Dude, it's so much grip, it can't even get the tire to squeeze.
Oh, then it's not a cool car. Smell like that good mac and cheese.
Water's so cold. Sponsor us.
German man cleans German hole. Tell me about your bike. Do it. This thing is so dirty. You can't really tell on camera how dirty it is. How dirty do you think it is?
Kind of dirty.
Kind of dirty? I just said it was really dirty.
Definitely dirty.
Yeah, let me come check out this wheel. Brown.
I think he just wrecks it. It's the back wheel.
Here you go. Want to record for me?
Yeah.
Today I'm going to teach you guys how to get your wheels extra clean. You got to get real close to it. Almost like you're going to make love to it, right? Taco's all clean. Shout out to the boys for the help. Yeah, this just came in. I've got to go pick up coolant from BMW. I wanted to get specific BMW coolant because it's literally the same price as if you would go to like Advanced Auto Parts, and like I just feel like it's better to go get the BMW one. So that's where we gotta go right now. I'm gonna head over to my local BMW dealership, grab some coolant, distilled water, and we're gonna come back and unbox this and hopefully have time to install this all today, so that you only have to see me in one outfit. You know, I can stay fly for many days. Oh my God. Now I just gotta go get some distilled water, but I gotta head to class first, so yeah. So I got this off camera, but you can see what it is. So yesterday it got dark, so I just stopped filming and I was just gonna pick it up today. I was gonna let you guys know exactly how everything went, and it did not go good. So I just went for a test drive. Well, it's not that bad. I went for a test drive and the car started actually overheating, and it's not that bad. It's because there was air in the system, and all that you really need to do is go for a test drive and keep coolant and water in your car. I'm gonna leave a link down below in a video that I watched that was really helpful. I don't really make this out to be like a tutorial, just kind of a little bit like, you know, you can watch it and go off of what I'm doing, but if you guys do need extra help, there will be a link in the bio for the video I watched. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna keep topping off the fluid, and I completely like didn't even remember to open up the bleed screw. That's probably why. And so there was barely any fluid in there, and that's why it overheated. So right now I am going to top off the fluid, gonna go for a drive, keep the coolant and the water in your car when you're doing this, because you might need to pull over and keep topping it off until in the video it says like once it's like maintained, you've been driving it for a while and it doesn't change the temperature, you're good. But you need to keep watching for like the next 4 days after you do install your new radiator. You need to keep watching your fluid level just in case it does go down again. But so yeah, let's get to doing this top off. You want to keep checking your coolant level, because yesterday before I left it was up to the cold line. You could see right there, and then now the level is like down here. So what I saw in the video is you want to open up this. I don't know if you guys were able to hear that, but it sounded like air came out. What I'm gonna do now is close this thing, and I'm gonna cap this, and we're gonna go for a test drive. So far so good. right there halfway, that's where you want it. The heat is blowing real hot. For some reason mine, I had to turn it to the left and it got hot. I don't know if it's bipolar or something. I'm gonna go ahead and say that this is bled. You know, I think hopefully nothing happens, but just in case, you already know I'm prepared. So yeah, guys, I'll go ahead and say that this is good. This is bled, and yeah. So yeah, guys, that concludes this week's video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Probably testing out this diff, if you know what I mean. Next Friday, that's probably the video that will go up. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you next week, 1 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys. Love the gang.